For the Hess's Law Lab, you are required to make a time versus temperature graph for each of the reactions that you do, as well as the combination of hot water with cold water when we were trying to determine how much heat the calorimeter was absorbing. The first step is to put your time data in the first column and your temperature data in the second column. You do not need any labels or titles on each of these columns because we're not going to be graphing those things. So once you have your data in there, you highlight the data, you go to Insert at the top of your page, and we are going to make an XY scatter plot without lines connected. And so we have something that looks like this. Now we go to the layout of the graph, and we assign a chart title. I am not sure which graph I actually made here. I have some old data. But whatever one you do, make sure you label it in your title. So this might be the reaction of HCl and NaOH. And so you get that in there. Next thing is the axes titles. We want our times are on here with units. And then we do the vertical, which is temperature, in Celsius. Keep moving over here, and we can remove the legend because we're only going to have one line. Then we want to add a trend line, and the trend line we want is going to be a linear trend line. This is okay that it doesn't go through all the points. We are going to be extrapolating it back. So if I right click on the line and I go Format Trend Line, we want a linear trend line as it shows here, and then we want the equation on the chart. We don't really need the R² value because the R² value shows the fit, and we aren't expecting your time to fit perfectly. And so once you get the equation of the line on your graph, we are looking at the y-intercept to be the instantaneous mixing temperature, which you will be using for T-mix throughout the whole lab. Good luck making your graph.